Hello all, this is Dr. Nidhi Pandya from Platinum Family Clinic. This is my case of arthritis, a 66 years old male, and this can be learning for newcomers or the beginning in homeopathy. So how we combine the old and new approach of homeopathy. I have used Polycrest medicine in this particular case, single dose, 200 potency, and got very good result. The learning is observation about the patient, so the keen observation from physician side and rubric analysis, how you choose your rubric for your cases. So this is a learning for I guess each beginner can start case taking method this way. This will be really helpful for them. So let's just start with the case. I hope you can see my screen here. Okay, so this is a case of arthritis. Patient is 66 years old, complain of knee pain, gastric issues and breathlessness. So these are the chief complaints. So there is a knee pain, backache, gastric issues and breathlessness. So all complaints started after drinking polluted water 20 years back. History of diarrhea and I got unconscious after that. Fist clench. History of degeneration at the level of L4 and L5, got operated for that. So this patient came to me few days back to my this detailed consultation. So he came to me for some gastric issues and chief complaint was flatulence at that time. And after that, so I gave some acute remedy or on the basis of short prescription I gave some medicine, but that I guess it couldn't help him much. So next time I made sure that we need to go for detailed consultation at least for 30 to 40 minutes. So this time the complaint is knee pain and breathlessness and gastric issues. So gastric issues, specifically flatulence was there in the past, and along with that now we have knee pain, back pain and breathlessness. So this was his history. So few years back this gastric issue started after drinking polluted water, and he got the complaints of diarrhea, and after that he got unconscious. He was admitted for that also, and by the time they found that there is degeneration at the level of L4 and L5, they immediately got operated for that. So his chief complaint is breathlessness on ascending stairs, knee pain and back pain aggravating from raising from floor, flatus offensive, loud flatus, and stool contains food particle. So this is all we got, and we have to prescribe something for this complaint. So there must be a medicine which covers knee pain and some digestion issues as well as breathlessness. So how to look for the medicine? What other things we got are some random symptoms: redness of eyes after taking bath, sneezing occasionally with nasal discharge, fear of surgery, injustice leads to anger. There was one incident when someone trapped him at work. So he used this word, trapped him. He felt so much anger and tried to hit him. So this way, the words which we hear is like someone trapped me at the work, and I felt angry, and I so the person considers him as an attack and also tries to attack him. So this way we got the hint of animal remedy, but as like this is not a sensation level case, so you can't just prescribe on this that okay, this can be animal remedy, so I prescribe, better to prescribe from animal kingdom. This is just a hint because this is a very superficial case of 30 minutes which was taken by my assistant doctor. I could finally join at the last moment for this case. So whatever data we had in our hand, so we need to prescribe for that data only. Injustice leads to anger. Somewhere we think of Steffi Segria, but Steffi Segria person usually don't use this kind of words that someone trapped me at work. And also seeing the educational background of that particular patient, and uh, the way he behaves, the way he interacts, and the past history or the journey of the patient, so we can get the idea about the kingdom. So if this person is, let's say for example, is a teacher or a professor, I can think of definitely Steffi Segria, but this person has very like low educational background. So usually I don't think that Steffi Segria will be much helpful for this case. Anyways, I never prescribe on just perception or delusion of myself. I always check for rubrics and a keen or PQRS observation. Another thing which we got is like generals: appetite good, thirst 3 to 4 liters per day, stool, urge comes but passes gas. So this was his first symptom when he came to me for the first time. Burning around the anus and bleeding after stool. So I could not prescribe on this symptom, that burning around the anus and bleeding after stool, but whatever medicine I am prescribing, there must be the symptom in that particular medicine. Urine is normal, sleep is good, dreams of group fight, missing train, running in a group, chaos, and my death. So these are some generals which I got. Thermal: nowadays I feel chilly, I cannot tolerate winter. So this can be disease related. So usually in hypothyroidism you see that intolerance of extreme heat and cold, but so we can't rely on that chilly and hot concept. This is what my observation is. So but I make sure that medicine which I select should be uh, if a patient clearly says that since beginning I am very hot, so I just try to make, like, I just try to prescribe on that data or the medicine which covers the thermal reaction hot. But in this case he says that nowadays chilly, so we can't rely for thermal reaction in this particular case. What was my observation? Because I had to prescribe something for this, and whatever data which was there in my hand, the chief complaint is breathlessness, knee pain, raising from floor, uh, flatus offensive, and this stool contains food particles. So these are the few symptoms. I have to prescribe something for this. So I could not get any rubric in my mind, which I always choose one or two rubric at a time, not more than that, so that I can get the idea about the medicines, which is very like in the initial like 5 or 10 medicines only. I always look for that and I choose the right rubric. I don't mix like 10 to 15 rubrics at a time and final. So I feel that it gets more confused. So rather than going for that method, I prefer one or two very clear symptoms which is observed by a patient or doctor or something which is very consistent. So I choose those rubric only. So in this case I was clueless to find a right remedy. So what was my observation? In last 5 minutes I had the symptoms in my hand, and the observation was this: that patient is moving his tongue frequently this way. So this was the constant movement. Whatever he talks, like the movement of tongue is constant. So this is the only observation I could rely for my prescription. So I just look for that rubric. Usually I use MAC repertory, and I feel it is the best repertory when it comes to practical use or professional use. Definitely I rely on MAC repertory. So this was my observation. There is one option here, you can go for search and words. So either I can go for motion tongue, Okay, so I don't know the exact rubric, so I just type it here, motion tongue, and search. So in the chapter mouth, I found this many rubrics: mouth eruptions, vesicles, painful, tongue motion, aggravate. So these are the number of rubrics which we found, but I selected this third rubric. Uh, just a second, we have to start it again. So in Mac repertory, or I think in many repertories, which like we have this option of direct search. If you are not so sure for the exact rubric, because every case is different, so you can't rely on your previous experience that in previous case I got this rubric this way. So better to select the same rubric. Rather than that, we just search for the words whatever in my mind, and then we select the right rubric. Okay, this is tongue. Okay, so I choose motion tongue, chapter mouth, and I got this in my final analysis. This is motion constant mouth, motion constant tongue. So I just choose this rubric, and how many medicines are there. So Stricta, clematis, and ipecac, opium, stramonium, aconite, and lachesis. Okay, so we have got this much medicines. Lachesis was there in my mind, but I just want to confirm, because whenever digestion issue, specifically flatulence, is there for animal medicine, definitely I'll go for lachesis. But I never heard of arthritis treated with lachesis. It can be his constitutional. So I have to check that whether boric materia medica covers this knee pain or gastric issues. So usually I prefer boric materia medica. If I want to select any medicine which is there, which is common, so I always look for boric materia medica. So because either in general, so the introduction, or in particulars, we can find that particular symptom. Definitely if it is not there in introduction, then better to avoid that medicine. If it is a rare medicine, then definitely you can go for your sensation method analysis. Otherwise, just to confirm on boric materia medica, I always look for the symptoms. So in this, I just tried to find out knee pain aggravated sitting from floor, but it was not there. But if we look, there is a symptom of back pain and knee pain. Okay, and which was there in past. Back pain was there in past, and after that, after this many years, this knee pain started. Okay, so we can also look for back pain. That was my idea. If we can see any symptom regarding this in uh, back, so this in extremities, we couldn't find anything regarding that modality. So I checked in back. So there is neuralgia of coccyx was rising from sitting posture. This is clearly written. It's in capital letter. So definitely you can rely on this modality for lachesis, and whatever we have got in chief complaint is that only back pain and knee pain aggravated rising from sitting posture. So this thing I knew, and that on that day only, that okay, lachesis covers the symptoms also. I knew that flatulence is there in lachesis, movement of tongue is there in lachesis, and also another symptom, I think yes, dream of funeral. It is own funeral. It is there in lachesis. So, and we all have like this data. Okay, there is black particles in stool, bleeding and burning in anus. It is also covered by lachesis. So this prescription, just it was based on final observation. We had data, but it was not enough to prescribe. So I don't risk my case on just mixing 10 to 15 symptoms and final diagnosis of the medicine. No, I don't rely on that analysis. I always look for PQRS symptom or the confirmed symptom. So my observation was tongue, the movement of tongue, and the rubric was like mouth motion, tongue constant. On 15 June, the medicine was given, Lekis 200 and SLBD for 15 days. And after 15 days, knee pain was better by 25%, breathlessness much improved, back pain better by 50%. Dream continued, and there was one dream specific uh, that sudden water came from sea. I climbed to window and water level raising. I was climbing up, and suddenly that water level falls. So in this dream, what we see is he saved himself somehow, and that was a positive dream. Definitely we can wait for next 1 month without any repetition. So, and in that particular follow-up, appetite, thirst good, and stool improvement, stool quantity increased, urine and sleep, it was all good. So after a month or maybe 45 days, more than 50% improvement in knee pain and back pain, breathlessness much improved. Patient is doing well with SL till today. We repeated one dose of Lekis 200 on 19th September. So this is all about my Lekis case. I hope you all learned. You could see my case. Anything from your side, your questions, your query, if you want to learn anything from me, just share and comment below. I'll be happy to help and happy to teach you every day something new. Thank you very much.